Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Kerala BJP chief and the party's candidate from Nemom, has filed his nomination for the upcoming elections. He was accompanied by Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma, who praised the enthusiasm of BJP workers in the state.
सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सभी को नवरात्रा की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। ये चैत्र नवरात्रा हमारी चल रही है और ये नई साल निश्चित रूप से आप सभी के लिए शुभ हो। और आज मैं यहाँ केरल आया हूँ और मैं देख रहा हूँ कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं में जो उत्साह है और उमंग है, और हमारे अध्यक्ष जी जितने ऊर्जा के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, और आपने देखा कि जिस तरह से कार्यकर्ताओं का एक उत्साह यहाँ की सड़कों पर देखने को मिला, मैं विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूं कि केरल में बहुत कुछ नया होने वाला है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी बहुत ही अच्छा यहाँ प्रदर्शन भी करेगी और जीत भी हासिल भी करेगी। ये मुझे विश्वास है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी केरल के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ी पार्टी के रूप में भी उभर करके आएगी। ऐसा मुझे कार्यकर्ताओं का उत्साह और जो उमंग है और यहाँ की जो जनता चाहती है वो दिख रहा है। इसलिए मैं आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ और माननीय अध्यक्ष जी को भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। थैंक यू।
First of all, I'm very deeply grateful to the Chief Minister of Rajasthan who came here and accompanied me and supported me during the filing of the nomination. I'm also grateful to all the hundreds and thousands of Karyakartas who have accompanied me, people of Nemam and people of Tirunelveli who have accompanied me today. It fills my heart with great hope, affection, and reinforces of what a responsibility I am planning to take on. When I came here on March 7, 2024, I was an absolutely new person to this constituency. I remember the then district president and the current mayor, V.V. Rajesh, receiving me. And even though I got only 35 days to campaign during the Lok Sabha election, the people of Nemam gave me a tremendously warm welcome, full of love, and a huge, overwhelming majority. I hold that as a debt that I owe to the people of Nemam, and with the party giving me this opportunity to serve the people of Nemam, I look forward to their support. I look forward to them giving me an opportunity to serve them as an MLA for the next 5 years, and I can promise them that if they give me an opportunity, I will work hard to solve all their problems. I will work hard to bring development to Nemam, and I will work hard 365 days a year, 24 hours a day, to make Nemam a model constituency in the state of Kerala. This, not just Nemam, today across the state, many BJP NDA candidates are filing their nomination, and over the next 3 days, 140 committed Team Vikasita Kerala candidates will file their nomination. I request every Malayali today who is interested in a better future for Kerala, who is interested in a better future for Nemam, to come out and support the BJP NDA in our goal of transforming our state from a land of missed opportunities to a land of full opportunities. Thank you.
Meanwhile, Union Minister V. Muralidharan also filed his nomination as the BJP candidate from the Kashakotam constituency. Rajasthan CM Bhajan Lal Sharma was present there as well, underlining the central leadership support for the party in Kerala.
There is a very huge positive response to the campaign. Today we are filing the nominations, and in the next practically there are 3 weeks almost left for the elections. I feel there is a wind blowing in favor of a change, not only in Karakotam but the entire state. Definitely this election is going to be a milestone in the history of Kerala politics. Till now the two fronts led by the Congress and the Communists, they have been coming to power alternatively. But this election will mark a change in that. And the role of Bharatiya Janata Party in the Kerala's power politics will become very clear through this election. See, it's an internal matter of the Congress, how much percentage of seats they want to give to the women and all. But we have seen that under Congress governments, women didn't get due representation any time in history. And it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who has coined the slogan of women-led development. So, under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it is women-led development, and Congress government, women were given a back seat. So that's the situation we all know. So I sympathize with the women workers in Congress because they are neglected there. I welcome all of them to Bharatiya Janata Party, where we will have them leading the development process.
With nominations underway for both Rajiv Chandrasekhar and V. Muralidharan, the BJP is gearing up for a strong electoral campaign in Kerala, aiming to expand its presence and consolidate its voter base in the state.